This is the beautiful 2020 Silverado. And as you can see, guys, there is already been attempts for a leather conversion, which it fails constantly because this is just a mat that it goes on top. This is horrible. I don't know, this is the stuff that you buy in most auto parts and something like that. It's still not cheap, and it looks worse than crap. And this is our problem, guys, with these fabrics. It gets stained so easily, hard to clean, horrible clothes. Welcome, guys. And today I'm showing you this kit for the 2020 Chevy Silverado, guys. This is the Crew Cab version with the 2 front buckets only, not a third seat in the front. This is just for the buckets, guys. And this kit, guys, it'll fit 2019 to 2023, the 1500, the 2500, or the 3500 trucks, guys. And this can fit the crew cab or the double cab, guys. And what you're looking at right here, guys, is a mahogany color, guys. Beautiful mahogany color with a silver stitch. This is more or less to resemble the King Ranch style, guys. It's a beautiful kit. It has combo perforations with wings, so it looks fantastic. It looks like crap right now, guys, but you can go to my channel and see the before and after, so you can see how beautiful these things smooth out once they're installed correctly. And what you're getting is in these kits for this configuration, guys, is the 2 front buckets. And again, guys, this is not your cheap sliding cover, guys. This is professional upholstery work. It means your cover has to come out of the car, and this has to be installed. It takes hours, guys. This is not an easy thing just to throw it in like most cheap covers that you will buy in most places. No, guys, this is exactly what you get when you buy your vehicle with leather in the dealership. Sometimes the dealership buy directly from us, so we go and put it on, and it charge you twice, 3 times the cost that they pay us, guys. So we want to save you money. We want you to buy from us, so you know you can get exactly the same thing that you get it in the dealership, no difference. When I say that, guys, is because behind these seats there is reinforcements for airbags right here inside. Everything is to a specification, just like the dealer intended, guys. This one is sealed, but you're gonna have the guiding system for the airbags, because it's critical for these 2 seats to have that system. Sometimes it comes in the back too, but you don't want to compromise your safety, guys. It's very critical that you get a product that is certified, that it have all those kind of features built in it. Otherwise, you put in your safety and probably your life at risk, guys. You want something that is at this level or quality, following manufacturer specifications, so you always know you have a peace of mind, because you know it's built the way that it's supposed to. And you're gonna have, guys, your console right here, which is beautifully trimmed. The design is fantastic. Your 2 front headrests, if they tilt, they will tilt. If they're fixed, they will be fixed. And in this particular case, guys, in this particular vehicle, guys, this configuration is for the pockets in the lean back. It has 2 pockets and also has the amber, which is this. This is the little pocket that goes there. Like a little doors opens and close. And again, guys, it's to a specification. If you have to have carpet down there, it is there. Everything is exactly like the dealer intended to be, guys. And now, guys, don't think that I only make it for this kind of vehicles. We carry this kind of kits for virtually any vehicle, guys. Just please make an inquiry so we can assess exactly what you have, because some of these kits can have an additional cost if it is not in our system. But mostly we try to make it very affordable. This one is a custom kit, guys. This is not the affordable factory match. Factory match are always cheaper. When it comes to custom, it adds a little bit to the price, but you can make this with different patterns, different colors, combinations. We have quiltings like double hex, honeycomb, diamonds, double diamonds, and many other, guys. We also have exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name them. We can carrying them all at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com, guys. You can go there and see what is possible in your vehicle, guys. And of course, if you want to have temperature control features, guys, we offer them. Because people say, oh, I'm gonna get too cold or I'm gonna get too hot. No, 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 no. Because now you can add Degreez systems. There is a temperature control system for 3 levels of heating and 3 levels of cooling, guys. So you are always at the temperature that you desire in your seat. So there is no more, it's gonna get too cold, it's gonna be too sticky. Not anymore, guys. You can do this. Our course is our top of the line. Please inquire about this system. And if you are in a budget, guys, and in a cold climate, you want to get at least your seat heaters, which is our lowest product. But this is very affordable. It's one option, so you can warm in winter, guys. So if you are wanted to take it to the next level, there is your Degreez system, guys. And one last thing, if you want to save hundreds of dollars in this kit, guys, what you have to do is go to LeatherTeck.com and fill up that form, guys, over there, because this is for you to get exclusive special prices and discounts only available for those in the list, guys. Don't miss out. It only takes a minute to fill out that form, because the discounts are so big we cannot even publish them, because we have a contract and we cannot publish certain prices. But you can get them if you are in our list, because this is our internal system. So we can save you hundreds, guys, every time that we run a promotion or every time that we want to do a big sale or something like that. You will be notified, so you can save hundreds or any promotions. You can call me anytime, guys, make an inquiry. I still helping you all the time with the best price, the best service. I want you to be 100% satisfied with your purchase, and anything that we do here in LeatherTeck is aimed to have the satisfaction of the client as a priority, guys. We are not just selling you something. We take care of you like you were a family member. Exactly like that for your friends too. So, guys, LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology. And again, if you decide to get hands-on into these things, we have tutorials, we have our videos, just like right here in YouTube. Please like and subscribe so you can get notifications every time we make a new video, so you can see what is going on. You can see the reactions of our clients. You can see the transformations in real time. Well, not in real time, but as it happens in the videos, guys. But you will see once your car come out. Let's say we do another Silverado, you can see it right there with a different colors combinations. So when you decide to do yours, you already know which combination is the one that you like the best. And still, guys, you can consult with me. I can make you recommendations for depends on what you're looking for. I can recommend you on a special edition. Depends. I like to assess my clients and see what is exactly their desires are, so I can provide them with the best service and the best selection when it comes to styles and colors, guys. I'm your specialist. I can be assisting you to make the best choice possible. LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. Go there and inquire, make an appointment, or book a call, so I can do all this process of selection of colors and styles, and I give you the best prices possible, and you will save hundreds of dollars most of the time, guys. So LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com, guys. Any vehicle, any color combination, any kind of quilting, exotics, you name it, guys. LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Beautiful, beautiful mahogany color with the silver stitch, guys. And we have the model today, Black Rat. We have a Black Rat Productions right here, guys, exclusively for you, so you can see these beautiful transformations, not like you see it in the table just laying down. You can see how it was transformed completely. There you have it. Dual map pockets, And there it is, the rear. Beautiful finish, guys. Carpet underneath, just like the factory. Armrests, compartments in this particular setup. Not all of them has them. And guys, you want to do this transformation in your vehicle, visit LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology so you can see what options do you have. We have over 60 different colors and combinations.